Hi Poonam, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Yes, I'm also doing good. Thank you for asking. Okay, Poonam, so let's begin with the discussion. Poonam, yesterday we talked about LinkedIn. We talked about many other social media platforms. The basic purpose is we are networking with people. Yeah, we are getting in touch with people, maybe from with our industry experts, friends, relatives, whatsoever it may be. You must have heard of this, Poonam. People say that we should decide our network very carefully. Like the people with whom we are hanging out, the people with whom we are associating, we should be very particular about them because our network is our net worth. That's also what people say in business terms. So, what would you like to say? Does it really matters who are we hanging out with, or it's okay that we can have any sort of friends, any sort of association? What would you like to say?
Sure. If it comes uh, for our career, for our growth, so we should pick friends very carefully or network very carefully. Or in terms of the fun part, we can hang out with anyone.
Okay.
But I think in the school, in college, our parents used to say that. Um,
Be friends with everybody.
be friends with everybody and search for good friends,
Okay,
be with
fine.
good friends.
Okay, got it.
If your good your friends are good, then you will be the good.
Makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. So friendship is very important.
hmm
um because uh, my experience is like, if in school time I used to Mm, I used to with some friends. Those are like not career oriented, uh, and so that time it's makes you different personality.
Correct.
Okay, so if they are not career oriented, then you will your mindset will be changed with
Perfect.
their mindset.
Yes, yes.
है ना? It's like a brainwash type.
hmm
Uh,
Correct.
yeah, of course. And in office, we cannot judge people, but yeah, we can be with. We can build a good network.
hmm Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, understood the point. So, Poonam, you very specifically said when it comes to career and profession, we should be mindful. But when it comes to casual friendship, it really doesn't matter that much. So, let's
Yes.
talk about these things one by one. Let's talk about career first. Why you said that when it comes to career profession, we should be very mindful of our association? Why?
Because I have created one YouTube channel, okay, for
Okay,
my conversation
true.
videos.
Yes,
Okay, I in that I have to connect with people who are interested in conversation,
perfect.
interested in English learning. So
Correct.
I have created my separate email ID, separate YouTube channel, so I can connect. I don't watch any other content there in that
Okay,
YouTube channel.
okay.
So AI what does, like, if you watch the conversation video, that will show only
In your feed.
conversation video.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, so that's like, no, there is a algorithm is like that.
correct. Yes.
Yeah. So of course, if I want to grow with my communication and in English language, so I have to be specific in my friendship.
Absolutely. You should be.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So basically, through this example, you want to tell me that when you will connect with those people who are interested in learning English language, improve their communication skills, that will keep you motivated and be on the track. Yeah,
Yeah, yes,
that's what you're
and
trying to say.
we yes, and we don't demotivate with other people,
Okay.
like who are like good in English.
Mm-hmm.
So we watch on YouTube very
Yes.
random podcast वगैरह.
Yes.
So we just demotivate with those content, because yeah, I'm not able to speak like this. So with these people, with the co-learners, I'm not like demotivate.
Or
I
inferiority complex is not there. Yeah.
Pardon.
Inferiority complex is not there. Inferiority complex.
Okay,
Yeah.
impurity.
Complex.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Understood. So your motivation is high and you are always having a zeal to learn when you connect
Yes.
with co-learners. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, understood the point that when you are talking about the professional aspect. Now let's talk about the casual friendship. Doesn't it really matter that whom we are friends with, like general friends, or does it matter? What do you think?
I think so. It matters
How?
because yeah, for 1 or 2 days it's okay to have fun with them. But if you are continuously meeting those friends, casual friends, friendship, so
Mhm.
it's affect your um, productivity, affect your if they are into the into other sector,
Mhm.
other area era. So you I'm into the English language. I'm career oriented, and I'm a learner, and he or she's not at all interested in learning anything. Yeah,
Correct.
that's it about me. I
Mhm.
have done graduation, and that's it about for me.
Correct. Yeah.
So it will not affect you immediately, but yeah, gradually it will affect you.
Correct.
So that time, yeah, we if he or she is your childhood friend, so it's difficult to
Part away.
yeah, part away. But you will realize she is not my type of friend.
Perfect. Yes, yes, I
Yeah,
do agree with you. It is not that she's not a good human being or he's not a
yeah,
good human being. Basically, he's not a value addition in my life. That's the
yes,
problem. Yes,
yeah,
correct. I agree.
yes.
In fact, there was a time when I was doing my bachelor's of education. I connected with a person and she was very foodie. At that
Mm,
point of time, I used to think only about food. Otherwise, I'm not foodie. So association really impacts. So we need to be very careful that whom we are connecting with. Yeah.
yeah.
But for example, Poonam, we come across such people whom we do not want to connect, but still those people are there in our group in some way or the other. How should we manage that circumstance? Because we cannot pick and choose like
Yes.
vegetables that I want this, no. Yeah. So how to manage that situation? Should we ignore them or what should we do?
We should not ignore them because they are also human beings, so
Correct.
we should not ignore them. Yeah, yeah, we can avoid those topic which are he or she is not interested.
Okay,
So
fine.
or I'm interested,
Mhm.
like I like learning,
Yes,
and she doesn't like learning. So
correct.
so so I will, I should not I suppose no, I should
Okay.
not discuss with her.
About learning.
Yeah, about learning. Yeah,
Okay, so you can use a word here. I can talk about the topic of mutual interest. Okay,
mutual interest. Yeah,
mutual interest. Yeah, topics of mutual interest we can talk about. Fair enough.
yeah.
Now, for example, there are people, Poonam, who have a mindset that I will only connect with those people who are growing. Like, for example, if I talk about school, our parents used
Mhm,
to tell us connect with toppers, be with toppers. When you will
mhm.
be with toppers, you will also behave like that, and you will also indulge into that activity of studying and all of those stuff. So, do you think it's a good idea to connect with people who are better than us?
um, it depends like
Mhm.
if they are better than us, so of course we will try to
Level.
reach their level. So
Correct.
it's a good idea,
Hmm.
but sometime what happen, it's a impact negatively on
How?
us because in childhood our level is different, our IQ level is of course different than other. So it's impact negatively, so we student gets depression immediately.
Correct.
So if you are good in you are mentally strong, or your family is supportive, then you can compete with them.
Hmm.
But if you are not strong enough emotionally, or then it's difficult, quite difficult, because my family is strong with
Correct.
in all aspects. So
Aspects.
yeah, aspects. So it's for our means um,
Advantage.
for my siblings and
Okay.
ourselves, uh, there is no need to uh, think
Connect.
about depression or
Yes, yes,
yeah,
correct. Yeah. Basically, family environment was very conducive, so there was no need of all these things. Very nice family environment. So
yeah,
that didn't affect you that much.
yes.
Yes. Okay. Understood the point. Now, for example, by mistake, we ended up associating with people who are not good, who are demotivating, or who depress us for some time. How can we come out of that phase, or how can we come out of that situation? Like I gave you my example. So I for a while I stopped talking to her. I became very conscious about my diet and food habits. So this is how I come out of that. And again, my family really helped me because my family used to have a balanced diet only, so that helped me. So
Hmm.
what do you think, if we end up associating with a wrong association or a wrong company, how should we come out of this? That could have.
uh, if we decide by our mind,
Okay.
so it's all mind game.
Okay.
So uh, we cannot share with them, no, you have bad habits, so I can't talk with you. So you have to do it because you are you have realized that I'm on the wrong track. So you have to be strong, motivated, and like
Swift. That's
swift.
the perfect. That's very
Yeah.
important. Like you told me, I cannot go directly and tell that person. So I should be swift in my transition, very smooth in my transition.
Yeah.
Yeah. It should not look that I have changed or I have realized something. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So Poonam, recently, just in this session only, you talked about your YouTube channel. Earlier also you told me about that.
Hmm.
Now there are some YouTube channels where people vlog their daily life. Yeah. I
Hmm.
did this, I did that. Daily there is a big long vlog and there are millions of views on that. So I would like to know from you, if you get a chance to vlog every day, about your life, would you like to try that out? Is that your area of interest?
I have joined this YouTube journey for
Mm-hmm.
my communication skills only.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So, and daily vlog is difficult in English.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
If I get a chance to
Mm-hmm.
vlog,
Mm-hmm.
then I would like to shoot in English language.
That's what I said. Yeah. Yes.
I will not use Hindi Marathi language
No. No.
here.
Then what is the benefit of putting in so much of efforts? Isn't it?
Yeah, yes,
Correct. Yes.
yes.
By the way, some people are comfortable sharing their everyday and everything in public vlogging, but some people are not comfortable. So, do you like such vlogs or you do not like such vlogs? Generally ask.
No, I don't like daily routine vlog. I
Mm-hmm.
like I like content related. I like I like kitchen related content only.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
Okay, understood.
yeah.
Huh.
Other means like organization and creativity
Mm-hmm.
videos only. I'm not. I don't like personal
Stuff.
stuffs
Okay, got it.
because 75%
Hmm.
I think so they are not real.
They are not real, and moreover, I don't think that everybody's life can be so happening every single day. We are not Alia, but that every
Yeah,
day we have to go for an event. Yes.
yeah.
So yes,
Even
that's
we don't
important.
know Alia, but as well, she's also having some bad part.
Absolutely, must be.
Yeah,
At the end of the day, no matter how luxurious life you are living or how successful you are, good and bad are the parts in everybody's life.
yeah. They
Yes.
have a different situation than us, but yeah, they have situation as well.
Yes.
I saw the podcast
Mhm.
of Ranveer Biceps,
Okay.
Ranveer and Janvi. So
Okay.
uh, she is also having some issues,
Hmm.
like depression and like those means.
Yes.
Yeah, they
Correct.
have also difficulties in their life.
Yes, because they are public figures. So their sort of depression is very different than ours. Like we will
Yeah,
cry that if we end up losing 1,000 rupees, we'll feel bad. They will cry when they will lose 1 lakh or 10 lakhs like that. So the
yeah,
quantum is different, but at the end of the day, bad times can be there in anybody's life.
yes,
Yes. Okay.
yes.
So what do you think? Why these people share every single thing about their life daily in public? What is the purpose?
I think so. Nowadays is like a money
Okay.
and what we call for
Fame.
famous
Fame.
fame. Yeah, fame
Mhm.
and money.
Okay.
I think
Fine.
so.
So fame and money is the only reason. Otherwise, interest and all you are not very sure about. Yes.
I don't think so. Earlier we used to do this.
Never.
Yeah,
We used to keep secrets.
yeah, we used to give secret.
Yes,
So it's fame and money only. I think
correct,
so.
exactly. Because
Yeah,
earlier ladies never used to share their recipes. If I am good at making some dish,
yeah,
I'll never share the recipe. But now they will share even the smallest of the details for getting good number of views and good money. Yes.
yeah. This is beneficial as well
Yeah, yeah,
nowadays.
of course.
But personal life is different.
Hmm.
Uh, Different topic means
Then knowledge
there.
sharing.
Yeah, there is no uh, what
Connect.
there is no connect. Yeah,
Yes. Those are two different things. Sharing what we are doing in personal life than what we can share knowledge. These are two different things. Yeah.
Yeah, shooting any recipe, food recipe,
Mhm.
and upload on YouTube, it's beneficial for me. But
Correct.
my personal life, you're not interested in my personal life, no? You're
Hmm.
not getting anything from my personal life.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yes.
so it's a
Or
useless
maybe if,
content, I
yeah,
think so.
it is useless content, but I was just wondering that how do these channels get millions of views? That's why
Yeah,
I was asking you. Okay.
yeah, I'm
So do
also
you have any
curious
answer?
about that.
You are also curious, but you don't have any answer? Okay, no problem. So, Poonam, you told me that you like videos related to kitchen organization, kitchen hacks.
Mhm.
Why? Because you are a homemaker also, along with a working woman. You also have to take care of your house. Is that the reason? Or what is the other reason? Why are you interested in this type of a content? Why?
I like to organize my house,
Okay.
and I like clean
Surroundings.
surroundings,
Mm-hmm.
and I can get the ideas from those women who
Hmm.
are doing the stuff.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
If like cooking or meal planning is
Yes.
there,
Yeah, yeah.
so I can get the ideas from there, no?
Mm-hmm.
And evening snacks,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
uh, morning breakfast, so I can
Hmm.
get the ideas. So
Hmm.
I don't need to invest my time and my mind in that. So I
Exactly.
can just watch the meal plan video, and I just wrote down the vegetables, and
Mm-hmm.
I can
Correct.
manage the my
Yes.
week.
Yeah. For example, Monday to Saturday, if they are telling you the different recipes, you can
Yeah.
easily plan out for your children, for your husband, for your own self, for that matter.
Yes.
Yes. So you
Yes.
do not have to put in efforts. That's the main
Yes.
point. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So any hacks which are your favorite hacks when it comes to kitchen organization or organization of overall house? Any of the hacks that you watched on YouTube and you actually apply them in your real life?
First of all, meal planning I have
Okay.
applied,
Okay.
and how to organize grocery I have
Okay.
applied.
Okay.
How to organize that masala, what we call masala,
Spices. Spice
spices.
box.
Yeah,
Yeah.
spices. How to
Okay.
organize spices,
Mhm.
and yeah, I have applied, and I have purchased organizer as well
Oh, what is that?
from like soap dispenser. So
Okay.
what we call.
Liquid soap dispenser.
No, 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 not liquid soap. Yeah, that also I have
Mhm.
purchased from,
Okay.
and
Mhm.
that keeper, that shelf,
Okay,
uh,
fine. So basically, different
soap
shelves you have
keeper.
got.
Yeah,
Okay,
so soap
okay,
keeper.
soap shelves. Okay,
Yeah,
soap shelves, not
yeah,
keeper, soap shelves.
soap
Okay,
shelf. Yeah.
okay, fine. So as you told me that you learned how to organize groceries. So for example, if anybody comes to you and wants to learn that from you, so what will be your tips for arranging grocery? What can you share from your experience? How to go about it?
Okay, I will share like
Hmm. Hmm.
just use glass container.
Hmm.
Don't use plastic container or steel
Okay,
container.
okay, okay.
Steel container, or just label it, and
Uh-huh.
for, because steel containers are not visible, that's why
Hmm.
we shift into plastic one. So
Okay, we will
I
not say shift, we switch to, not
switch.
shift,
Okay,
switch.
switch to plastic ones. So I
Okay.
have suggest them that use steel or glass container, and just um, every grocery item should keep in separate container.
Okay.
Don't
Mhm.
keep all the grocery item in
Okay.
one
Mhm. Okay.
container.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Fine. Understood. That was a nice conversation and quite a different conversation. We never
Yeah.
talked about kitchen. Okay,
Yes.
because I am not very good at this moment. So yes, but I think I got some good ideas. You will not say grocery items, grocery. You will
Okay.
not keep all the grocery at one place. You will segregate it according to its types.
Yeah.
Okay. Grocery items is not. Okay.
Okay. Grocery.
Grocery.
Okay.
After that, you said stuffs. This word stuff, STUFF,
Hmm.
that itself is plural. There is no need of putting S after that. There are so
Okay.
many stuffs to do.
Okay.
There is quite a lot of stuff to do.
Okay.
Stuff. You will not use it is plural only. Then you said I joined the journey of YouTube. See, joined means when something is already going on and you just joined in. But it
Hmm.
wasn't like that. You started your own journey. Correct. So you will
Yeah.
not use the word joined. Joined is the incorrect verb. You will say I started my YouTube journey.
Okay.
Okay, that's very important. After that, you said in Hindi word vagera,
Huh.
etc.,
Yeah.
etc. Okay. Then you said I do not watch any other content. I do not come across. Try to use phrasal verbs now. Okay.
Hmm.
I come across. I do not come across any other content. Come across. Okay. After that, you said it's like a brainwash when we are in a wrong association, you can use the word brainwash, or you can also say that we develop illusion in our mind. Illusion.
Illusion.
Because
Yeah.
brainwash means we will never come back on track, but you told me that we can come back on track. So from illusion we can come back. That's why brainwash is not the correct noun over here. Okay. After that, you said those are, but you were talking about your school days, so those were. Those were. Uh, and yes, then you said the good. No, we will use the only with the superlative degree. Good, better, best. Best is the superlative degree, so you will use the with best only. You will not use the with good, because good is the positive degree. Okay, so you will say the best, but if you just want to say good or you want to say better, there is no need of using the in that. Okay.
Okay.
So these were few small things. Now a little bit, yeah, I'm picking up very small things now, because overall, if anybody will hear you or listen to you, they will find you fluent only. But now these small things also we need to correct, so
Yes.
that we sound more proficient.
Yeah, of course.
So please go ahead, jot them down at one place, and we will carry on in the next session.
Sure.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you. Bye,
Thank
Poonam.
you.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.